Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, we will discuss about relational operator in C language. The symbols used in relational operator is less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. Relational operator is used to check the relation between the following. It is going to check between variable and variable, variable and constant, constant and variable, constant and constant. The output of relational operator is always either 0 or 1. If the given condition is true, it is going to return 1. If the given condition is false, it is going to return 0. Let me explain with an example. I am considering two values like 5 and then 2. 5 is greater than 2. 5 is less than 2. 5 is greater than or equal to 2. 5 is less than or equal to 2. 5 is equal to 2. 5 is not equal to 2. Let us check the outputs of this. 5 is greater than 2. So the condition is satisfied. So it is going to return 1. 5 is less than 2. The condition is false. So it is going to return 0. 5 is greater than or equal to 2. Here we have to check both the conditions. First, we are going to check 5 is greater than 2. It is true. 5 is equal to 2. It is false. Since one condition is satisfied, it is going to return 1. 5 is less than or equal to 2. 5 is less than 2. Condition false. 5 is equal to 2. Second condition is also false. So it is going to return 0. 5 is double equal to 2. Here it is going to compare whether the value of 5 is equal to 2 or not. 5 is equal to 2. It is false. So it is going to return 0. 5 is not equal to 2. The condition is satisfied. So it is going to return 1. Let us run this in online compiler. I'm going to declare the variables like int a equal to 5 and b equal to 2. So printf, I'm going to check the relation. A less than b equal to percentage d, a less than b. Similarly, I'm going to check a greater than b equal to percentage d, a greater than b. A less than or equal to b equal to percentage d, a less than or equal to b. A greater than or equal to d equal to percentage d, a greater than or equal to b. Printf. We are going to compare here. A double equal to B equal to percentage D. A is equal to B. A not equal to B equal to percentage D. A is not equal to B. Let us run this code now. Here you can see the output. Let me copy paste the same. And the output is you can observe here. You may have a doubt like what is the difference between single equal to and double equal to. Single equal to is used for assignment purpose for assigning a value, whereas double equal to is used for comparison. So this is about relational operator in C language. Thank you, friends.